Today, we're going to be analyzing the US markets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swing Trader. If you're new to the channel, I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's take a look at the markets. Right here is a chart of the S&P 500 monthly time frame, to be exact. We have a very strong engulfing candle on the chart here on last month's chart in November, and then December looks like it's going to rally again. But we have a very strong level, very strong impulse, slight retracement, and then another strong impulse up. So we're expecting the markets to be going up long term. Now on the weekly, we have a very strong level of demand that is tested, did a double bottom, and then now it's rallying. And last week's close was a very strong bullish candle, pin bar candle. So we have a very strong engulfing candle here. Strong engulfing candle here, here. A little bit of consolidation here, but overall breaking new highs every single last week and the week before that too. So bullish on the S&P 500. There could be a slight retracement, but if it does retrace, this is a level of demand right here. Gapped up. Very hard price action to follow, but it's going up. Okay, so let's take a look at the Dow Jones, the top 30 companies, industrial companies. S&P 500 has more technology type stocks, more mix of everything, but S&P 500 has more of the Dow has more of the industrial type stocks. So monthly, basically the same thing as the S&P 500, a wider level of demand down here, another area down here, and weekly we have basically the same thing, another zone on top, another zone right here, but the daily has a stronger zone that gapped up. So if price wants to retrace down here, this is a very good opportunity to go long. Since we have demand zones, we want to go long only. We don't want to go short. No counter trend short possible either. Next market we're going to take a look at is the Qs, the NASDAQ composite. This involves mostly all tech companies. So we have the monthly, same thing, bullish candle, very strong demand zone right here. Price wants to retrace. It didn't want to retrace. It just made new higher high. The weekly, we have a strong level right here. Price wants to retrace down here. It's still playing out. It's got two candles up. The daily, we have this zone removed, and now we got this zone right here that we have been waiting for price to retrace, but it never did. So overall, in the US markets, price action has been telling us to go long only, no shorts. The global markets is telling us the same thing. All global markets, the UK FTSE market, the Bank Nifty in India, the German DAX, all markets are going up. So the world is telling us that even though we're in a coronavirus COVID pandemic, the world stocks are going up. Even though the economy is slowing down and halting, the stock market is going up because of bullish economic stimulus. So that is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.